Well, our top story tonight, the Lewis and Clark City County Board of Health unanimously adopted emergency rules and regulations for the COVID-19 pandemic. MTN's John Riley has the latest.
Much of the emergency rules and regulations in response to the COVID-19 pandemic adopted by the Lewis and Clark City County Board of Health Thursday are already in effect under Governor Bullock's current order. The board chose to adopt the rules locally due to the uncertainty of what might happen under Governor-elect Gianforte's administration. Public Health Officer Drenda Neiman said until vaccination is widely available, these regulations are the only tools available.
Without the masks and the distancing and these other comprehensive efforts that we have had, it's likely that we would have had to be under a more strict lockdown situation.
Face covering requirements will continue, as will limit on event sizes. Gyms were added to the capacity and hour limits with bars, restaurants, and casinos, and schools, including colleges, were added to the list that require indoor face coverings. The board also set a defined criteria for when the rules will get more or less restrictive, or end entirely. Those criteria are based on certain COVID thresholds of the community. Public comment on the rules saw mixed reactions. The county commissioners and the City of Helena Commission sent letters of support for the rules. City Commissioner Sean Logan, speaking on his own behalf, objected to the rules, saying there wasn't enough input from the community.
With an issue as important as this, one that greatly affects the lives and livelihoods of the citizens, businesses, and employees in Lewis and Clark County, there should be a high level of transparency. That does not seem to be the case here, and I cannot support this action by the Board of Health.
Other public comment opposing the new rules included individuals against face covering requirements for all individuals in businesses and schools, and those concerned about when the rules would end. Both Pureview and St. Peter's Health supported the emergency rules, noting that 1/3 of St. Peter's beds are currently filled with COVID patients. Reporting in Helena, John Riley, MTN News.